Yo, shout out to one of our video content creators, Ozzy, for this amazing tutorial. So today let's learn how to open a door that requires a key card. First and foremost, inside of our workspace, go ahead and spawn in a part. This is going to be our door. So go ahead and rename that part to door. And then for aesthetic reasons, we're just going to go ahead and decorate the surroundings of our door. All right, next up, we're going to go ahead and create the little key card area where we have to kind of like scan this key part with our card to open the door. Sweet, so it's coming along. Now, inside of that part that I just highlighted, this is going to be my key part that requires some kind of key card to open this door. Perfect. So let's go ahead and group all of our parts inside of a model. And inside of our key part, we're going to add a script. All right, so inside of the script, we have multiple variables. We have a variable which references the tween service, our model, our key part, door, and most importantly, our open and close tween information. So in our variable where it says local open equal tween info.new, which is basically setting the style of our tween animation and how many seconds we want this tween animation to occur for the open and close. And of course, we have a debounce. Now, for our function, we're going to go ahead and create a keyPart.touch connect function and hit is our parameter. Now, if hit.parent.name is equal to KeyCard, so KeyCard is going to be the part that we'll create in just a second. So if a player is holding a keycard and it's coming into contact with this key part, then the door is going to open to this certain position. Now, right now we're going to go ahead and set the position of this, and in order to get the position of our door to open to where we want it to open, we're going to go ahead and head over to our workspace. What you want to do is go ahead and move our door part up because that's where we want our door to kind of go, and head over to where it says position, and you see where it says on the y coordinates where it says 10.1. Take a note of your y coordinates and then take a note of the coordinates of when your door is closed. So for me, it's 3.4. So inside of the command line, I'm going to do print 10.1 minus 3.4, and it's going to give me the value of the position of when the door is open. So which is 6.7. So I'm going to go ahead and write 6.7 here. So 0, 6.7, 0. And then it's going to play the open tweening information. We're going to wait a few seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and play the close animation of our door. And then we're going to go ahead and set the debounce to false. One quick fix in the tween info for our close variable, I'm just changing it to sign, and then instead of in, I change it to in out. We are almost done, so of course we're gonna go ahead and have to create our key card. Now go ahead and feel free to use any fancy key card that you have. For me, I'm just gonna use this simple part. Now remember, when you create a tool of it, or remember to rename your part to handle, and then make sure to rename your tool to key card. So remember how in our script we said key card, make sure it matches the same as the script. So capital K-E-Y, capital C-A-R-D, and then go ahead and drag that inside of starter pack. Cool, so let's go ahead and test out our key card with our door. So it definitely works out, but let's go ahead and spice it up a bit where we, have a little indicator of when the card is ready to be scanned again. So let's go ahead and hop back inside of our workspace, and inside of our key part, I duplicated a key part, and let's go ahead and rename that to active. And then we're gonna go ahead and change the size of our part and then put it in around like the top corner of our key part area. Sweet, so let's go ahead and hop back inside of our script, and we're gonna go ahead and create a variable to reference our active part. So local active is equal to model.active, very simple. All right, so we're gonna set it so that anytime the door is not ready to be opened, we're gonna set the brick color of it to really red. And then we're going to go ahead and, like once the door is ready to be opened, we're going to go ahead and set the brick color of it to lime green. Cool. Let's test out our game, and there you go, it works. How cool is that? So it's not ready to be scanned again, so our active light is red. It's gonna wait a few seconds before we are able to scan the door again, and there you go, it turned to green. Cool. How cool is that? So as always, if you guys enjoyed this content, please give us a like and a subscribe, and as always, have fun creating, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.